thinking about the clothes so far?
They're fun.
Yeah.
All good quality. Man, look at these. Look at that.
Those are
So
dope.
cute. So I think she's gonna sell them. Them on, I realized that they needed a little bit more love, and so I'm going to shorten this by a significant amount and add pockets. This one I don't need to shorten too much, actually, just enough. And then there are not pockets on this either. No, okay, I thought so. There are some pockets, but I want front pockets too.
Everybody needs more pockets.
Always. Everything needs more pockets, especially dresses.
You hear that, guys? Come to Thrifty Boutique, you get pockets. Hey, what you watching?
The playback of our little music box.
Oh, can I hear it?
It's too stinking. Yeah.